Got my dome.
Greetings, family. We're live in Revolutionary Camp. What a beautiful dome. And we're here with one of our wonderful sister. Tasha, how you feeling today?
I am feeling blessed.
Man, we all need some of your wonderful energy. You are so positive and enlightening. And I'm looking at this dome. This looks like a match for your energy.
Yes, it is.
Would you live in something like this?
I would. Actually, it's similar to the build that I am thinking about in Elmina, Cape Coast area. So
You already got your game plan.
yes, it's actually nice to actually see it. I've seen a picture of it before, so it's nice to see it up close and personal now.
So it's very similar to this.
Yes.
Is it this big?
I can't tell because I don't know what the dimensions are, and I only saw it from a photo. But
I want to take some additional look and see.
yeah, I would like to see
What
the
it look like?
inside.
And how is your inside look like? 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms?
Two will be mine.
Two?
Yes.
So you don't want one with a whole lot of space?
I don't need a whole lot of space. Not right
You're very
now.
conservative?
Yes.
That's what's up. Anything you'd like to share with our people as far as your journey so far?
It's just been really touching, overwhelming in a lot of ways. And just the rest of it, just words can't really describe. But I'm very happy to be here. It's been beautiful, lovely, and I'm enjoying every moment, taking it all in.
Perfect. What would you say to encourage more of our people to enjoy this kind of experience that gets you away from, what you're commonly known to do on a day-to-day basis, and put you somewhere more tropical with just a lot of culture and a lot of different things going on?
I would say the first thing is to have the desire to reconnect with your past, your ancestors, and know that Africa is more than what the images and the projections that we see perpetuated in the U.S. It's a beautiful place filled with endless beauty, landscaping and beyond, in addition to just being connected to our culture and setting foot, on the land and where we're taking from. So it's a blessing.
That's excellent. Well, definitely appreciate your energy. We're going to give our folks a wider view of this beautiful dome.
And I'm taking some rocks, collecting some rocks so I can take some of the earth of Africa back home with me.
Excellent. Well, we appreciate your energy and keep that positive energy, and people like yourself enlighten others.
Yeah.
We have to keep the balance strong. Thank you, sister.
Give thanks.
Yes, we're enjoying this beautiful view of this dome.
Oh, you got it.
Genius.
I wish you could fix my
No,
camera.
that's ancient.
See? You are so wrong.